FunBites. Today we're gonna make magical puppy treats with applesauce, bacon, and peanut butter. Here's what we're gonna need. Peanut butter, milk, applesauce, flour, baking powder, dry oats, and a little bit of crumbled bacon. Next, here comes the fun part. We place FunBites on the dough, rock it back and forth a few times, insert the popper top, and pop out the bite-sized pieces. And now we put them in the oven on 325. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and they're ready. Let's see what Lola thinks of them. From our house in Miami to your house wherever you are, make sure to take some time for fun today with FunBites.